Hi, my name is Dustin. I'm with King Metals. Today we're going to go over and show you how to install a Meridian Cable Railing System on a fascia mount. Alright, before we get started, I want to go over the tools we will be using in this project. You got your carbide bits. These are for your pilot holes and your staircases. You got your titanium bit. This is for your steel handrail. You have your tap, threading needle, hand wrench, Allen wrench, pliers used to pull the cable, cut-off wheel used to cut off the ends of the cable and the threads. Now these are some tools that do not come in your kit that I use that just makes the job easier. This is a T-handle for the tap, a pin punch for the titanium drill bit that just makes it where the bit won't walk on you on the handrail, a hammer, a piece of wood to use with the pliers so you don't damage the stainless steel, and just a drill gun. Alright, first thing you want to do is take your measurements, get your mount mounted, use a level, make sure your posts are nice and straight, then decide how far apart you want your posts. On mine, I did 2 feet, but really it's your preference. First thing you want to do is set your handrail on top, level up your post, nice level. Both ways. Now you want to mark your handrail. Make sure you have a good sharp point. Center it. Mark. Make sure they're nice and centered. Alright, you're going to want to get you a center punch. Find the center of your hole that you have marked. And what this does is keep your drill bit from walking away from it. Alright, that's good. After you get your hole punched and drilled, you're going to want to start tapping your holes. Make sure it's nice and straight. Alright, after you get done drilling and tapping your holes, you're going to put the handrail up and start starting your screws. So take a 4mm Allen wrench and just start them. You don't want to tighten them, you just want to start them. We'll snug them all down once we get them all put in, but right now just taking a couple threads. Alright, this is what will come out of your steel cable kit. You have your steel cable, your threading needle. You have these 2 washers that you will not need. These are made for wooden posts, not stainless steel. These are your end caps here. This goes on one end, this on the other. This will go on the furthest end when you get done, and you will put it on like so. This is your bushing. This will go on first on the threaded end, just like this. Then your washer, and then your nut. Your nut, give it 3 turns, 3 full turns, once you hit the nylon. Alright, you're going to start off with your steel cable. You're going to remove the black tip. Put on your threading needle. Be very careful putting it on because this can go stranded on you. Alright, find your hole. Just thread it through. Just keep threading it through all the way down to the end. you get to the end, you can remove your threading needle. Alright, you want to come back over to this end, put on your bushings first. This fits up in your hole. That'll keep it from wobbling around. Just keep it nice and snug. Washer next. And then your nylon nut. Remember, maybe 2-3 turns after you hit the nylon. Pull it through. Alright, after you get your bushing, your washer, and your nylon nut on that end, you want to come to this end. Take this little black washer, put this on. Slide her on here. Alright, there she goes. Then just slide this up inside your hole. Pull her hand tight. Get all your steel cable in. You want to go back through and pull them hand tight. And get you a 3-4 inch piece of wood. Your hand pliers that came out of your kit. Use your wood to pry on so you don't damage the steel or the stainless steel. Just snug it. Alright, once you get back to your nut end, you want to get the paperwork that was given to you in your kit. Follow this order from 1 to 9. Get your 7/16 hand wrench and your Allen wrench. Put your hand wrench on first, Allen wrench on second, and start tightening. Alright, you want to continue with your alternating pattern. Alright, as you're tightening it, you will see that this Allen will start coming out. This piece will be cut off using the cut-off wheel that was in your kit. This will go in your drill gun. Alright, once you get done with your final tightening, come back down to the tail end. Get your tool that was given to you in the kit, along with the cutting wheel. Get you a flat tip screwdriver, snug it. Put in your drill gun. And your safety glasses. Start cutting. Once you get done cutting all your tail end cables, you want to go back, get your caps out of your kit, and just press them on, like so. Alright, once you get done with your tail end, you come back on your Allen end, and you just want to cut the recess off. Alright, once you get done cutting your ends off, go ahead and put your caps on. If for any reason you ever need to come back and tighten them, just remove the caps. Use your 7/16 wrench and your Allen wrench. Just come back and retighten.